Oh, he picked it up! This is fucking hand reeling expertise over here. Oh shit. Today I'm going to show you guys the most intense fishing trip I've ever taken. We end up catching a barracuda and cooking it on an abandoned island. While doing research about the island of Roatan, which lies off the coast of Honduras, I ended up stumbling upon a YouTuber named Byron JKP. I realized he did guiding fishing tours, and as a fishing fanatic myself, I couldn't resist in contacting him and setting something up.
Have you ever taken anyone out while it was like really stormy?
Yeah, I actually have a video out when we was caught in the storm.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah.
Was the video called the calm before the storm or something like that?
That's one also. That one was when my cousin, he was in the boat.
Okay.
Him and the other guy, and they was out there. They got caught in the storm. I just edited it after they came back.
Yeah. Are you the master fisherman?
Right.
Nice.
How did weather though? Right? It's coming.
So we're going to the shop real quick. Is this the shop? Is it a petrol station?
Petrol, yeah, you can say that, yeah. Gas station. This is how we get gas on the island. One hose and ready for the safe boat. 5 gallon here. That's $20, y'all. 500 left. No, straight. Wait, hold on, wait.
Although we're doing a catch and cook, although I don't like seafood, so I'm covering my bases with the Ensure for all your geriatric needs.
Explain to him how to pull the line, like you gotta be like constantly.
Okay, you're constantly jigging it up and down?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you know how to do it, right? You want to hold it for you a little bit?
Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, got it.
Grab that for her, King?
I know.
The wrap?
Make she pull it out, King.
Okay.
Make she pull it out.
There we go. All by herself. Booyah.
Nice. Beautiful. Nice. So we're here passing the island. We're gonna cook our fish from. We've only caught 2 fish. So we're gonna try to catch another one, and we're gonna try to use that as bait to catch a barracuda.
Got him. Put him in. Booyah.
Oh,
nice
snap.
size.
So on top of never having caught a barracuda and hopefully catching a barracuda today, we're gonna hand line it. So no rod and reel, straight hand line.
Look off of the edge, bro.
I'm not gonna pull too slow this time, but not too fast. Okay.
he ate the whole bait. You see that?
You're gonna pull him.
You got him? Come on, that's it. You're over.
Pull him, pull him, pull him, pull him.
Let's go, pull him in. Pull him in.
Take it down.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
Too big. Okay, hustle and bustle. There you go. Oh, that's a big bar. Got your wish. Here we go. That's a big bar.
How does it not hurt your hands?
Bring him in. That's a. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Giant.
Jesus.
Come on, kid. Bring him in. Bring him in. That's another one behind us. Big one coming too. I wish we had the real rod. That way we could deal with him better, right?
I got him though.
Holy fuck.
Let him pull him at the end, maybe? That would work?
Oh my God. How are your hands dealing with that?
I told you they catch big fish with them hands, man.
Jesus Christ.
A giant. He got it. Get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in. We don't got no hook stick or nothing. Keep it tight, wear him out. Keep it tight, wear him out. Okay, that's it. Final? Oh, okay. Oh, that's giant. Got the bar. Hurt your hand, right?
Yeah, that shit hurts.
Told you.
No worries. So we caught her Barra.
Giant.
Unfortunately, I had to let go of the line because that shit burns your fucking hands. Shit.
He's
He's running with it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh shit.
Battery.
This is fucking hand reeling expertise over here.
Shut up, boy, king boy.
Oh shit.
GoPro.
Keep reeling.
You got him? You got him?
I don't know.
You got off.
Jesus.
No,
You got off and I hit that rock, boy.
You hit the rock, right?
Boy.
Damn.
It's a lot of action in a minute.
No, go the line.
That was hella close on Barracuda number 2.
What a
Hella
big
close.
Byron. Too much action. It's not, yeah.
This is what the fish looks like after the Cuda had its way with it. Alright, we're on the new island. We're gonna get some sticks
Oh,
to light up a fire to cook some fish. Never tried climbing one before?
okay. There you go. Oh, all right. Got that. Oh, oh, oh. That goes in the bloopers. As far as I can go. Right there.
Nice.
All right. Slow it down.
Nice. It's my first time seeing butter in a sausage container. It looks like a piece of sausage. Manteca vegetal.
Sure.
Yeah. Too low to the fire, huh?
Run a fucking fire stick on hard. Let the net skier.
No fire stick, no? What's your money?
What you call the sauce?
Chimon.
Chimoy?
Well, in Spanish they call it chimon.
Chimoy. It's really good.
Alright. One Barracuda later, we're out here on this tiny, tiny island in the middle of the Caribbean. My hands are, you can't really see it too good, but they feel burnt. I was trying to hand reel a Barracuda in, it didn't go so well. Oh. Alright, Alright, let's take a quick tour of the island. I'm gonna call this the south side. So this behind me is downtown. This is uptown, right here. Real estate prices here, they increase dramatically. You can see there's a bit of nature, there's some cover, some shade, you know? So this used to be a bigger island apparently, but it got washed up. So a lot of it is more submerged now. Our eating is done. Now we're on our way back to Roatan. Full stomach. Alright, so this is the end of our trip. Great fishing experience. Caught some barracuda and what they call jack something. But awesome trip. Thank you. Stay tuned. Peace.